Hey everybody, how's it going? So I got a quick little haul from Walmart, picked up some transmission fluid and a movie. Please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Alright, so I picked up 4 1-gallon jugs of ATF, automatic transmission fluid. It looks like, I guess certain Walmarts are doing a deal. AutoZone has this for $28. O'Reilly's has it for $30 or $29.99. And only one Walmart around me has it for $17.97. Other Walmarts are selling it for 29 bucks, something like that. And I also picked up a movie. This one is 4K. This is Emma Stone playing in the Disney's Cruella. This is the Ultimate Collector's Edition. Figured, you know, it'd be a nice movie to watch. I kind of like that the case is red. That's neat. But I picked this up. Be fun for me and my wife to watch, or the kids to watch. And these are the jugs. Take these out of the Walmart bags. So these are 4 quart jugs. I picked up 4 of them, $17.97 a piece. They're 1 US gallon. These are MaxLife full synthetic. Dextron 6, Mercon 5, and Dex Merc. Beast needs a complete transmission flush. The transmission fluid is a light brown. It's still red when it drips off of the stick, but it's not red when it hits, paper towel. Ford Mercon, LV, GM Dextron 2, Dextron 3, Dextron 5, 6. Toyota Lexus Type T, T2, TN, and WS. Honda Acura ATF Z1, except CVTs. Nissan Infiniti, Matic D, Matic J, Matic K, and Matic S. This does Hyundai, Kia, SP2, SP3, SPN, and SPN4. BMW does Allison, Mercedes-Benz, Volvo. It's pretty universal. This stuff I've been using for years. Works great. But, if you guys are looking, I figured to let you guys know. If you find this for $17.97 at a Walmart, grab whatever they have, because not every Walmart carries this at that price. I went to Queen Creek, which is 30 or so miles from me. That's how I got these in 1-gallon jugs for $17.97. But the closest store to me is Coolidge, and they wanted $30. So I figured I'd pick them up. That transmission in the 97 as well as the 2000 limited, both of them are limited 4x4s. They take closer to almost 2 of these containers completely empty, which is about 8 quarts completely empty. So and I'll have extra. If I find some more, I'm going to pick up some more. But, it's just a quick video. I also picked up a movie. So, that's everything that was picked up. Not too bad for price. It could be $30 a piece, and I could have paid $30 for each of them. So, $17.97 is a pretty good deal. That's all I got for you guys, though. If you guys have any questions, leave them down below. These are 1 US gallon or 3.78 liters, which is 4 quarts. I do appreciate you guys hanging out with me today, checking out the video. If you guys have any questions, always leave them in the comments. I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. But check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And I will see you guys on the next video. Peace!